How to use the Roblox AI script generator. So once you're in Roblox Studio, you need to press this AI assistant icon and then delete the other stuff above it so that you can have a clear view. Now what you need to do is ask the assistant to generate the wow script to make the base plate glow. And now you have a couple of options. What I advise you to do is to review each script change, but since this is a very easy task just to make it glow, I'm gonna accept it for this prompt. So here it is. Here's the script that it made. Now go to the Explorer here. So here in Explorer, type in baseplate. In this case, I wanted to make the baseplate glow. Let's click on it, and here's the code that the AI made. Now that we're here, as you can see, we made the baseplate glow with AI. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.